Rewrite in exponential form. We have a log. Generally speaking, if I give you something in this form, log base b, and let me get all colorful, log base b of a equals x, so many colors. If I give you something that looks like this, I'm allowed to rewrite this as b, so the base is still the base, x for exponent, b to the x equals a. So what I need to do here is I need to take a look at this guy and compare this to that guy and say, all right, well, b is my 7, 49 is my a, and 2 is my x, which I made purple. I'm going to stop with the colors because it's taking me way too long. I can write that as b to the x, so 7 squared equals a, which I called 49. So fun fact, this is a true statement, making that a true statement. But this is how I rewrite something that's in logarithmic form into exponential form. No solving, no completing anything, nothing to simplify. That's just me changing log into exponential. That's it.